What's up, everybody? Joe with Joe's Golden Garage. Man, I'm coming from my personal favorite car on the road right now, and that is the current generation of the ES350. This car is so gorgeous. I love the front end styling. I love the butt, the rear, the tail. They got it dead on. I mean, it is such a beautiful car. And this is my first chance I've gotten to sit in one and take one for a little ride. This one says it's a premium. It's a trade-in at the Hennessy Lexus. Only has 5,000 miles. It's a 2020, so it's pretty low miles for a 2020. 5272. And we've got a premium package model. I've got the ventilated seats. I do see the heated steering wheel. I don't see anything regarding Mark Levinson or anything, but let's see. But I do have something regarding my seat belt. It's got a leather and wood trim steering wheel. It has wood inset, or is it just a hot? No, it's a wood grain. It's just really dark. Oh, but this is such a, God, this thing is so cozy. So soft and quiet and just perfect. Just perfect. I mean, if I had the money, this is what I would buy and drive. This would be my daily car. Got these little knobs up here for sport, eco. We'll go over to sport. Oh, I'm spinning the tires, baby. Yes, she's sporty. Wow, that wasn't but about 3/4 throttle. Man, she's peppy. Very peppy. Okay, let's go to eco. Okay, we got a blue. Got a pretty busy instrument cluster up here. We've got all of our safety nanny, steering assist, lane assist, lane change alert. I mean, you know, there's all kinds of little safety nannies here we got going on. Media. You know what? I don't know. Let's see. Home. Audio is off. Menu. I don't see anything regarding that it has navigation. So, you know, it could be a lower end model. I don't know. Maybe they don't come with nav anymore. Maybe it's just all through CarPlay or whatever. Okay, eco, yeah, throttle response is a little slower, but very nice still. Golly, what a nice car. And the ventilated seat feels so good. Yes, beautiful car. Ugly stain. It looks like, yeah, it's very sticky. I think it may have come from these rubber, whatever the hell these things are. Anyway, that would come out with just a little bit of cleaner and a little bit of rubbing. We'll do a little quick walk around. I guess this is just kind of a charcoal gray color. Nebula Gray Pearl. Yes. I like the grill. Yes. These are so nice. Oh no. Somebody smacked the shit out of that wheel. Look at that tire. That baby is about to blow. That wheel may even be damaged. Who knows? Yeah, I mean, this is a new car. New car. You know, I see evidence of maybe a car seat here. So, I don't know. What do we got here? We got a little mark here. Well, anyway, it's a new one. It's basically new. It says as is, no dealer warranty, but I'm sure it's still under the manufacturer's warranty. There's no reason it shouldn't be. I mean, getting in here is like getting into a little quiet oasis. This is so nice. So nice. Now, I think I snagged this car. Where did I get this one? Don't quite remember. Anyway, 2020 Lexus ES350 Premium. Just a gorgeous car. I mean, this thing's brand new. You know, they've probably had it on the lot for sale. Just hadn't had any interest on the lot. So, you know, they'll bring these to auction sometimes to see if a dealer, you know, will jump on one, you know. Doesn't necessarily mean something's wrong with it just because it comes to auction. You know, they want to sell cars. They don't want them on their lot for days and months and whatever. So, you know, it doesn't mean anything at all is wrong with them. That's why sometimes you see new cars here. I will say I missed, I didn't miss it. I saw it. There was a deal I had on the new Corvette. It was a 2022, 19,000 miles. It was a repossession from Navy Federal Credit Union, and it was beautiful. It was gorgeous. Not abused, not beat on, good shape. Sold for $70,000. I thought that was a good deal, considering what the new Corvette was costing people when they were new. You know what I'm saying? That was a heck of a deal. So anyway, y'all like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think about this new ES. I love the butt. It's got a sharp butt. We'll see you next time. Peace.